Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a special one because today, finally, I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, but we are going to get a custom exhaust installed on the Eclipse today. That's right. This baby's finally gonna have some sound to her. So when we're ripping in the canyons, she's gonna be roaring. And it's just, oh my God, I just can't wait. I really can't wait. It's gonna be such a blast. It's dope. It's gonna be so dope. So I'm gonna be heading to SuperTuningPerformance. I already talked to them and they said that, you know, they can easily make an exhaust for the car. So I'm gonna be getting done 3-inch piping. I'm gonna do from the turbo all the way to the back. I'm gonna have very well, the least amount of restriction on the catalytic converters done, so as high flowing as possible. So it might not really be legal still. I think it's not really gonna be all that legal, but yeah, so it's gonna be really dope. And I really wanted the exhaust. I didn't want to buy something off the shelf. I wanted to have something like as a one of, you know, something that, you know, not every other Eclipse has. I'm not quite sure if the sound will differ from other Eclipses. I know that sound is generally doesn't differ that much when it comes to, even when you have different exhausts. But we'll see how this sounds. I'll definitely be putting in a sound clip for you guys later on in the video after everything's installed. But yeah, right now the shop opens up at 10:30. Right now it's 10, so I'm gonna get there right when they open so I can get it to them and they can, you know, get to work as soon as possible, and then yeah, I can get the car back today. So it's gonna be so freaking sick because I've been waiting for this for so long, man. I can't explain to you how weird it feels, like ripping through the canyons and there's like no sound to the car. You know, you feel like you're driving fast, but it's like so quiet. It's a weird feeling because I'm used to, like, on the motorcycle, it's loud, you hear the exhaust screaming. The Mustang, you hear the exhaust screaming, but in the Eclipse it's like you just hear wind noise. So man, but we about to change that today, baby. It's gonna be so sick. So let's go, man. Let's drive and we'll go to the shop. What's up? All right, guys, so the car got dropped off at SuperTuningPerformance, and yeah, so it got dropped off at SuperTuningPerformance, which is basically, SuperTuningPerformance is in the North Hollywood / Van Nuys area of California. So luckily for me, my mom lives in North Hollywood, so I came back to her place so I can hang out because they're not going to have the parts until 1 o'clock. So the parts are going to come at about 1 or possibly earlier, he said, and then they'll begin working on the car then. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna, you know, kind of hang out a little bit, run some errands, and wait for their call to when they say it's finished. And I'm gonna go back, baby, and we gonna hear how the Eclipse is gonna sound, because it's, oh man, I can't wait. It's so, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, man. It's gonna be so freaking dope. And I'm gonna be making so many more Eclipse videos, just like driving in the canyons, and just, man, I just can't wait. Like, it's so weird, man, because of all this like COVID-19 stuff and like shutdown and people losing their jobs. It's just really insane because, you know, well, not just me, but nobody really pictured their year 2020 to be going the way that it's currently going. But I'm very fortunate that I was able to still have work and be fortunate enough to where I can work, make enough money, and be able to have some money to mess around with the car. I didn't really think that I'd be getting coilovers and an exhaust this quickly on the car. Even though that was my goal for this year, I didn't anticipate it happening so soon. I was like, oh, by the end of the year, you know, winter time. So this is awesome. This is awesome. I mean, wheels, tires, coilovers, exhaust. Those are like the three main things that I really just wanted the car to have. After that, you know, I'd be content for a good while. You know, I'll still add stuff like intake and, you know, stuff, supporting mods for when I want to add more power or more boost to the car. But man, after this, it's lit. And I actually want to say that I actually plan on doing a track day sorry, a track day in the wintertime when it cools down. I don't really want to do a track day in the car around this time because it's getting really hot. So I'll save that for the motorcycles, even though it's still pretty brutal on the bikes, but whatever. You know, I'll wait till towards the end of the year, and I'm gonna do a track day in the Eclipse, man. So it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, so in the meantime, I'll revisit. In the meantime, I'm gonna go do my thing, and we'll be back when the car's ready. Guys, the car's ready. Let's go get it.